If you're experiencing connection errors while playing Red Dead Redemption 2, particularly Error 2026, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rockstar Games website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Red Dead Redemption 2 completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the game servers and resolve temporary glitches. Step 3. Reset your internet connection. Unplug your modem and router for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in. Once your internet connection is restored, try launching the game again to see if the issue persists. Step 4. Update your game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for updates through the game launcher or platform you are using, Steam, Epic Games, etc., and install any available updates. Step 5. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes firewall or antivirus software can block the game's connection. Check your firewall settings to ensure that Red Dead Redemption 2 is allowed to communicate through the network. You may need to add the game to the exceptions list. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve connection error 2026 in Red Dead Redemption 2. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to Rockstar Support for further assistance.